TV crew. It is a sunny day. It's a really nice day today. I'm gonna show you where we are camping. Look at this view. There's a wildflower, purple colors. There are sheep. You can see white dot is a sheep. Yellow wildflower too. Right behind of the TV, you can see ocean. So Mark set up really beautiful setting outside right now. Look at that table and chair. It's perfect sunny day, but I don't see where's Mark. What are you doing? What is that sound?
Yeah, hair dryer.
Oh my god, why are you using the hair dryer?
You said you wanted to show the solar panels charging this guy, right?
Oh.
But this is fully charged.
Drain the battery?
It's still pretty much full, so I gotta run this hair dryer for at least another 5
Today's video is a special video. If you guys watch our video for a long time, you guys know that we don't get product sponsors that much because we don't have an address. We rarely have a place to send it because we have a van. So anyways, our car TV has a house battery, and charging up that house battery, we depend on the solar a lot. We have a solar on the roof, and we have a solar for the external, like outside foldable one. But you know, external like outside one, I guess it is time to retirement. It is tearing apart. Mark decided to like it's time to replace it, and he searched that which company would be perfect for us, which is like suitable for us, our kind of travel style. So we found one. We contact with them.
All right.
Wow.
But this battery unit is not that heavy.
I didn't carry the package. Alright, 이거 블렛.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. What's it? Oh my god.
Way nicer than our old one. Our old one was just made of like really
Oh wow.
fabric.
장난 아니네? 어머. Oh, I like it, honey.
Okay, so what's next?
Powerbank.
Power bank.
Great.
Oh wow, that's really
right.
nice.
Good. I like it. It's quite cute.
Yeah, super cute.
So Mark set a beautiful way outside. It's really nice weather. Oh, I love it. This one is from the Bluetti PV200, like external solar panel. Look at that, it's so pretty, isn't it? You can see the shine. And we request the only solar panel, but you know what? Really surprised. They send us the portable power bank too. This one is EV70S. Capacity is 716 watts, and inverter size is like 800 watt. So it's like you guys saw that the Mark was using the our hair dryer to drain the battery. And this one is made by the LiFeO battery, and it has a long-term battery life. And I heard that 2,500 more life cycle. So that's pretty cool. You guys can see here, it is really simple and easy to say it. So here is a PD3, like 100 watt, can just charge your laptop or MacBook, just like it directly connected it. But if you connected it, it will not work. There's a power button, little power button. You click it, it just blink a green light, and then you can see the LCD screen will pop up. So you can see the your battery, how much percentage left. And then there's the input and output, like a wattage too. And next to it, there's 2 USB port. And also here is a 12-volt Sega jack. And next to it, we try not to reveal where we are because we don't want to make any confusion in our video. But if you guys notice that this the outlet, you can guess where we are. So it's just a hint. And next to up here, cute LED light. You can have a 2 brightness, and the other one is SOS mode. I hope no one used the SOS mode. You know, like don't be in dangerous area, okay? There's 3 ways to charge the power bank. First one is AC power, shore power. So you can charge at your home. It will take 3 to 4 hours. In our case, it was 3 hours, 30 minutes took. And next one is Sega jack. You can charge from your car and Sega jack, so it takes 6 to 7 hours. Next one is a perfect match with the PV200. You guys can see that solar panel, MC port connect, and then just plug into the battery. So that's quite easy to do it. Oh, one thing I forgot. This is a wireless charging output 15 watts. So it's perfect. Excuse me. I told you many times your phone doesn't do the wireless charge. Mark keep putting on his phone here, but mine and his phone doesn't have a wireless charging because we use the cheap one. So if you have, put on here and then you can charge it anytime. I asked Mark to fold the solar panels. We can do demonstration. Oh, spider! 이거 spider. 안에 들어갔다. He'll be squished.
You ready?
Ready to go. Here's a strap that you can use it. So let me show you deep behind. So there's a leg installed here. So easy to set, and you can change the angle too. 여기로 가면 좀 잘 보여. Spider! Wild! And you change the angle easily, and there it is. This is quite easy, right?
Super easy.
Previously, what do we use for angle our solar panel?
Our old camping chairs.
Right, we did.
But this is a much better method.
Yeah.
So nice.
So this solar panel is like using the silicone cell. So far I found out that it is like a 23% efficiency. So our older one doesn't have this kind of texture. You keep talking about this solar panel every day since we got it, and my ears are bleeding. So what do you think about it?
They're very nice. No, but these new solar panels are the exact same size as our old ones.
Oh, 맞다. Yeah,
But they
right.
produce so much more energy than our old ones. Our old ones were 160 watt, but these are 200.
이거 어느 정도 지금 파워를 받는지 보여줄 거지?
I think the battery's drained enough now. Should we try it? Just connect the MC4 connectors. Super easy. And then take the DC plug. Just plug it in right here to the input MPPT.
Oh, I can hear the fan going on.
138.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so it's not too bad because the sun's quite low right now.
Yeah, it looks like a beautiful weather, but actually, you know, cloud is covered a little bit,
right, it's a
thin
bit
layer
cloudy
of it.
today.
Yeah.
To get that kind of wattage is amazing.
So we love this solar panel, like actually Mark love it so much. But it's not the only one. If I walk here, there's a folded one right here. But I'm gonna explain it later why we have a two solar panel. But first, it is folded, so I can explain more. This handle is really handy. You can carry it right away. And then when you pull out from your car, it's easy to pull out too. Behind of it, there's a little pouch. I like this kind of feature. I don't know, it sounds kind of weird, but it's sometimes like little things like make everything great. So this zipper is waterproof, so it's perfect for the outdoor because like sometimes you hit the rainy days too. So inside there's the MC4 connectors. If someone doesn't know, sometimes they forget solar panel details, technical details, they wrote it here. This kind of things are good for me because I always forget every time. This one is quite heavy, but it's not heavy that you cannot carry, you know, like you can see me that I'm carrying. We use a lot of solar panels, and previous one it was quite lightweight, and first time we thought like it's good, but when you are really using it, it's not that great. When wind blows, it's just gonna be like flip every time. Whenever it does, it just damages cell. So it is really sturdy. So you guys can see even strong wind, it's just like stay there. It's just like sturdy, heavy, it's nice. Why do we have two solar panels? So I'm gonna explain. We're driving with our little tiny home, and we have a house battery inside our van, and it is wired as the 24 volt. If we want to charge our house battery, we need two solar panels so that voltage will be higher than the 24 volt. Yeah, this two solar panel like solve everything. Only one we can charge a power bank. When we need to charge our house battery, we can set up two, so total 400 watts can charge our house battery. Like beautiful weather, like this. This time I'm gonna unfold this one because you did that one, right?
You've never done it before though.
That's right. The solar panel is on you because you love it. You don't want me to touch it.
Already messing up.
No?
Is it 45?
45.
I'll let her do it.
I can do!
Careful.
I heard a laughing sound. Is it you? See? Huh. I can do it.
There you go. You're starting to get the hang of it. Ooh, not bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little zigzaggy, but not bad.
Yours is jiggy too. 이거 좀, 야, 땅이 울퉁불퉁하잖아. 자, 됐지? It's easy to set up.
The only problem is
It's a shade. 성격 급해서 그랬다. So Mark will set up the with house battery right now.
I'm going to connect these in serial. So I'm just going to connect the positive to the negative of each solar panel. And then these two will go into our car battery, our car house battery. Positive to positive, negative to negative. Done.
Awesome. Should we check the how many amp hour is pulling in?
This charge is only the external.
9 amp hour.
Not too bad. It's a little bit cloudy today too.
Oh.
That's pretty good. We can't adjust the angle of the roof. The outside solar panels produce
Yeah,
way
right.
more power.
Because that's the reason why we are depending on external a lot, because we can angle it. I'm glad it's sunny today, you know? Oh my god. Someone watch our video right now, like, that is sunny? It's kind of cloudy, but to us it's sunny. So pretty today. We are hungry, we gotta make a snack.
So you have the what? Pepperoni?
난 페페로니.
I've got the Philly steak. You need me some oil?
올 필요 없지 않나? 에이, 괜찮아. 내 거 해보고 안 되면 I'm gonna do slow.
It says 400 watts. Yes, it's 350 watts.
맛있겠다. Mine is screwed up. 완전 내 스타일. You wanna bite? 맞지? 맞지, 괜찮지? Guys, before we close our video, if you guys interested in the EV70S and the PV200, you can go to the description box and you can get the discount code. We don't get any commission or anything, so you can freely use it when you buy it. So just like make sure you check it. I'm gonna close vlog today because we gotta wait for the Mark's pizzas is done. Bye guys!